Hey everybody, it's Mare here from the Benniebarrefitness Pilates studio, and today I'm coming at you with a springboard workout vlog. This week has been a particularly exciting one, stressful one, out of sorts one, as we've been doing renovations in our home, and because my kitchen is entirely gutted and things are all over the place, I'm feeling out of sorts. And this morning I took to the springboard and to work out to relieve that. And it's amazing how some movement gets my body feeling amazing and helps my mind to get in a more amazing state. So this morning I got myself warm and burned out some stress doing some cycling. I just needed to get myself moving and focused and warmed up, and then I brought it into the studio and set that focus into place and motion on the springboard and had a great session. Today I am posting some notes for you to let you know what level I'm at on the springboard and which springs I'm using. Some of you have requested that, so I hope that you find that helpful as you're watching and getting ideas here for springboard workouts. If you're looking for some guided lessons on the Pilates Springboard, you can find some of my videos that offer you short, brief lessons on the springboard where we're working a particular area for just a couple of minutes. You can also find a full-length springboard class here on my channel as well. And if you're looking for regular full-length springboard classes, check out my Patreon account. You can find the information in the write-up below, where I do classes each week. Today, I just want to briefly talk about how to make habits stick and to be consistently working out, even when your life is torn upside down like mine currently is. A lot of people think that they lack motivation, but they actually just lack clarity. So I want to discuss implementation intentions. And this is basically where you set a time and a place for a specific behavior that you want to accomplish. So let's say you have a springboard in your home and you want to be using it, but life gets out of control, or you have it there and it's supposed to make your workout so much easier, and yet without the classes and things like that, you just lack that motivation to get on. And this is about setting a time for yourself. You've created a specific workout place in your home, probably at this point, and now it's about saying, I will get on the springboard at 7 a.m. in my studio or in whatever place you happen to have your workout equipment. Setting aside a time for yourself that you can not only look forward to, but you've taken the mystery out of it of how am I going to make a workout work today? Well, I already scheduled it out in my calendar, so I know that I might have a million things to do today, but at 7 a.m. I'm getting on the springboard for a workout. That might be for 10 minutes, it might be for 20 minutes, it might be a full 60-minute session, but I'm getting on and doing it. James Clear talks about this concept in his book, Atomic Habits, and it is a great read. So basically, giving this implementation intentions, you're giving your habits a time and a space to live in the world. The goal is to make the time and location so obvious that with enough repetition, you get an urge to do the right thing at the right time, even if you can't say why. I certainly have an urge to be moving, to be doing my mat work, to be doing springboard, to be doing barre, because it is a habit and a practice in my life, and I don't like the way that I feel when I've been away from that habit for a couple of days, because it makes me feel so good that I'm looking forward to it. It makes my body feel better and stronger, and we should all be able to look forward to movement and fitness. I hope that you've discovered things in your life that make it just this wonderful place and space that you always want to create, because it's become who you are. That's just what you do, because you are a person that moves and works out. Thanks so much for joining me in the studio today. Check out my channel for more Pilates Springboard, as well as Mat Pilates and Barre and much more. And if you're interested in joining me on Patreon for weekly Springboard Pilates classes, as well as Barre and Mat options, check out my Patreon information in the write-up below. If you're just discovering my channel and wondering what you should check out next, here are some videos that you might like. Here is another springboard workout vlog just like this one, and also a short springboard lesson. Consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you always know when I'm publishing something new.